warimbunaim chungbulo tu da ve chung ji do sang so lung so me yo me bong lo he come to bong ni.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my new vlog today I'm going to show how to harvest the rice in the battlefield. Now I already reached the battlefield, so let me show the view of the battlefield. And this is a rich battlefield in Salome village, that which we have a garden gift by one day ahead. We are going to harvest today, so let me show how we are harvest in the Salome village, in the battlefield, how we are harvest the rice. Okay, we are already get ready for the harvest, so I will show not in details, but I just show the few tips how we are harvesting rice in battlefield in Salome village. So after collecting a gift, that we need to rust like this. After that we need to collect for which we have rust and few rice dirty things. We